Veronica Angela, student ID number 198 as second applicant.
Hello, my name is Justin with student ID number 210 as third applicant. So, happy work.
Thank you very much, guys.
Good morning. Please have a seat. Thank you for coming today. I'm Hara from Human Resources Division of NMU Nusantara. We are interviewing for the position of Economic Research Analyst. Let's start. Could you briefly introduce yourself?
Of course, my name is Alika. I am a final year student of Development Economics at UPN Veteran Yogyakarta. I have a strong interest in regional economic development, specifically how fiscal policy and local government spending affect poverty reduction in rural areas. This led me to complete a research internship at Babeda Sleman, where I assisted in data analysis for the district's medium-term development plan. I believe that applicant research is especially what I hope to contribute here.
You mentioned data analysis and berbeda. Could you walk me through a specific challenge you faced during that internship and how you handled?
The secondary data we received from the Statistics Office had several inconsistencies, missing values, and impossible outliers. My supervisor was away, so I had to decide independently. I cross-referenced the data with two additional public datasets from the National Statistics Board and documented every change I made. I then presented the issue and my solution to the team, and we agreed to use the clean dataset with full transparency about its limitation in the final report. From the experience, I learned that data integrity is not negotiable, even when it slows down the process.
Our company focuses heavily on regional economic research. Before coming today, what do you know about NMU Nusantara?
I read through your website and we reviewed three of your published policy grades, particularly the one on subnational fiscal analysis, which aligns closely with my thesis on fiscal decentralizations, and the Human Development Index in Java. I found the methodology rigorous and the findings genuinely impactful. I want to work somewhere where research translates into real policy recommendations, and from what I have read, that's actually what you do here.
Think of a time you worked in a team where there was a significant disagreement. How did you handle it?
During my internship, there was a disagreement between two senior staff members about the analysis framework. One preferred a qualitative approach, the other insisted on quantitative methods. As the newest team member, I know I wasn't my place to decide, but the tension was slowing down our work. I requested a short team meeting and proposed that we document both perspectives and present them to the division heard together, so the decision comes from above rather than from within the conflict. It worked. We move forward slowly. I learned that sometimes the best resolution isn't to argue harder, but the reschedule thoughtfully.
What do you consider your greatest professional weakness and what are you actively doing about it?
My weakness is tendency to over-prepare. I sometimes spend too much time researching context before starting actual work, which can slow my output in fast-paced environments. I became aware of this during my internship when I missed an internal deadline because I was still reading background literature. Since then, I have practiced setting strict time blocks for the research phase and started using Kanban board to track whether I am spending disproportionate time on any one stage.
And then, what is your salary expectation for this role?
Based on research on market rates for entry-level analyst position in Yogyakarta and the scope of this role, I will say somewhere in the range of 4 to 5 million rupiah per month as a starting point. I am open to discussion, especially consider non-monetary benefits such as professional development and exposure to national level research projects.
Do you have any question for me about this role or the company?
Yes, thank you. What does the typical research cycle look like for a junior analyst here? Specifically, how much involvement do junior members have in methodology design versus data collection and report writing?
That's a great question. Junior analysts start primarily in data collection and literature review, but within the first 6 months, we actively involve them in methodology discussion. We believe learning happens best through participation, not observation alone. Thank you, Alika. We'll be in touch within 5 business days.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Hara. It was a pleasure. I look forward to hearing from you.
Good morning. Please stand. Thank you. Thank you for coming today. I'm Hara from Human Resources Division of PT Negeri Nusantara. Could you briefly introduce yourself, your name, academic background, and what drove you to economics?
Good morning. I'm Veronica Angela from Development Economic at UPN Veteran Jakarta. I have a GPA of 3.87, the highest in my batch actually. I received the Dians Award twice. I'm passionate about macroeconomic modeling and econometrics. I've taken extra course in Python, so I think I'm pretty well equipped for this role.
You mentioned econometrics. In your academic project, have you ever built a model that produced unexpected result? How did you respond?
Yes, I once ran an OLS valuation for my thesis, and the coefficient for government spending came out negative. I assumed the model was wrong and reran it several times. Eventually, a senior lecturer points out I hadn't control for the lag effect. Once I added the lag variable, the result made much more sense. It allowed me to question my assumption before questioning the data.
Before coming today, what do you know about PT Negeri Nusantara and the work we do?
I know you are one of the more reputable research firms in Yogyakarta and that you work on economic research, mainly for the government sector, I think. I didn't look into it in detail, but the analysis role sounds like a strong match for my technical background.
Why this company and why this specific position?
I apply here because this is one of the more reputable firms in Yogyakarta, and honestly, the salary range I found online seemed competitive. I think I grow a lot professionally here. The analyst role is a good fit for my skill.
Can you describe a time you worked in a team with a significant disagreement and how you handled it?
There was a group assignment in my third year. One member kept submitting incomplete work and the rest of us were frustrated. And I suggest we divide tasks more clearly and set internal deadlines. But when I brought it up in the group chat, that person got defensive and said I was being bossy. I honestly just let it go after that. I didn't want more conflict. We submit the assignment, but I end up doing more work than myself.
What is your greatest professional weakness and what are you doing about it?
My weakness is public speaking. I'm very comfortable with data and writing, but presenting in front of a large group makes me anxious. I joined a campus English debate club last semester specifically to push myself outside that comfort zone. It's been uncomfortable, but I already noticed improvement in how I structure argument verbally.
And what is your salary expectation for this role?
Based on my GPA and the technical skill I bring, I think somewhere around 5 to 6 million will be appropriate. I'm flexible, but I don't want to be fairly compensated for my qualification.
Do you have any question for me?
Yes, does the company provide support for further academic study like a scholarship or study leave? I'm considering pursuing a master's degree in the future.
We do have a professional development fund. So, formal study sponsorship is reserved for employees after a minimum tenure. Good to know you have long-term goals. Thank you, Farrell. We'll be in touch 15th business days.
Thank you, Mrs. Hara. I appreciate the time.
Sorry, am I late? I can find the room.
Please take a seat, please. Good morning. I'm Hara from HR Division of PT Mandiri Nusantara. We are interview for the Junior Academic Research Analyst position. Could you start by introducing yourself?
Hi, my name is Justin. I study at Petra Yogyakarta Development Economics. I'm interested in economics because, well, it's useful, and I saw this job on Instagram, so I thought, why not apply?
Justin, could you please put your phone away? We'd like to keep this section focused. Before coming today, what do you know about PT Mandiri Nusantara and the work we do here?
You do economic research, I think, for the government. I'm not entirely sure, honestly. I don't get much information in here.
I see. We work with both government and private sector clients on policy evaluation, regional development incident, and investment feasibility studies. Why did you apply to this company and this specific role?
I just want to get work experience, any experience, really. I'm also applying to 3 other places at the same time. So, yeah, wherever accept me first, I guess.
Tell me about a time you worked in a team with a significant disagreement and how you handle it.
Honestly, my last group project was a nightmare because one of my team member was completely useless, and I ended up doing everything by myself. And I even complained to the lecturer, but they don't do anything. I kind of give up and just submitted whatever we had.
What do you consider your greatest professional weakness and what are you actively doing about it?
I guess I'm a perfectionist. I care too much because, yeah, why not getting perfect in everything? So that's my weakness.
Could you give me a concrete example of how that perfectionism has actually cost you something, a deadline, a relationship, or an opportunity?
I'm not sure. I just think and I overthink sometimes. I don't really have a specific example.
What is your salary expectation for this?
I was thinking at least 7 million. I have bills to pay, and I heard fresh graduate should ask for more, and I read it on TikTok.
Alright. Do you have any question for me about the role of the company?
How many vacation day do we get?
We follow standard employment regulation. Thank you, Justin. We'll be in touch within 5 business days.
Okay, thank you.